Namaste, greetings from Aruna Textile Hub. For making video, I am not wearing mask, but you have to wear mask always. Namaste, welcome to Aruna Textile Hub. After COVID-19 pandemic, we all are suffering from it, economically and mentally as well. No matter where are you living, from New York of US or Dhaka from Bangladesh, Colombo from Sri Lanka or Delhi in India, we all are suffering sir. But we have to stand up and fight this pandemic with strongly. So today I am making a video to support you guys. No matter if you are a housewife or you are starting a boutique, if you have a small wholesale shop or you have a family store, no matter where it is in the world, I'm gonna support you, my team gonna support you. Let's start it with Aruna Textile Hub factory outlet. So as per guidelines from WHO, we are following all the precautions. We have set up disinfected tunnel. While you come to reception, one of my representative, Mr. Nikhil, will tell you how we welcome our customer who will come to our factory. He will give you a complimentary mask, then he will give complimentary gloves. Your temperature will be screening. After that, your all details from your residence, your temperature and other details will be recorded in separate book. After that, I'm gonna show you my whole empire. My left side, you can see this is my QC department where all quality check products are already there. Once you order your products are ready to ship to you. On my right side, these are departments. The first department is for sari, printed sari, work sari. Second department is for lehenga choli and silk sari. My third department is for only of exclusive dress material, catalogs and non-catalogs. And my fourth department is for kurti, plazo sets and leggings. Let's start with sari department first. You can see these all designs are only samples. We have 1,000+ samples already ready to show you. My team, one of my colleague is sending catalogs to customer. One of my teammate doing video call and showing the products to customer. No matter from which corner of the world you are calling or you want to come to Surat or Gujarat, we are here to help you. Our team will show you samples from starting range 100 rupees INR to 30,000 of sarees. We have huge variety from printed sari to work sarees. I'll show you a sample of work sari. Please help me to show this. This sari is just for 1999, only 2000 INR. Look at the details. This is just a sample. Let's go to other department. This is my sitting area for customer. They will rest here. We have all set up. Whenever you come, your breakfast, your lunch, your restroom are ready for you. This second department is for lehenga choli. Look at the samples. We have huge variety of lehengas. Starting range of just 240 Indian rupees. Just 240 Indian rupees. Yes, you heard it right. We have variety of Lucknowi, Indian, West Bengal, Delhi, handwork, booty work, printed, digital printed. We have, just you tell me the name, we have the sample. Okay, this is the huge variety of lehengas. In this side we have exclusive sarees of silk and cotton. Kachipuram silk, Sana silk, Vichitra silk, every type of silk we have. Starting range of silk sarees from just 200 INR. Let's go to other department. We have department of dress material as well, from non-catalog to non-catalogs. In this department, this is the catalog. This is unstitched dress material, from medium size to 4XLs. You have to alter as your requirement. We have catalog as well. Let me show you some samples of kurtis as well. These are the samples of kurtis. Huge department. If you wish to buy a catalog book or non-catalog book, we have both. So you are thinking all transportation is closed. How you will come to Surat to purchase all these things? Flights are closed. Railways are not working. So I have an answer for you. This is my online team. These are my team. These are the guys. Yes, these are the guys who gonna help you. They will send you the all Photoshop products, images. They will do video call to you. They will show you some samples. They will ask for your requirements. They will help you in this crisis, how you can come up and fight this pandemic with your strong will. So, like this. These are some sample photos which we are sending to our customers. Like this. We have western tops. We have sarees. We have work sarees, fancy sarees. My team will gonna show you, gonna send you, gonna help you in all the situation. So now I'm gonna show you how my packaging team helped you. This type of packaging. All boxes are sanitized. We are using herbal sanitizer, which is not harmful for product or as human as well. Quality packaging. You're gonna get a quality, because lots of my international customer ask, sir, I'm not worried about the pricing of the product, but I'm really crazy about the quality, and I'm gonna give that quality to you. This type of packaging for lehengas. All safety measures are taken from our team. Let me show you my godown as well, where quality products are already ready for you. Now I'm showing you my department where all products are ready after QC check. Let's start with sari. So that's called a factory outlet. Factory outlet means we do manufacture our products by ourselves, and you are gonna get products direct from factory. So don't worry about anything. We are here to help you. Just call on given numbers which are on showing in the screen. So this is all for today. Don't forget to call on given numbers. Just call once if you want to buy, or if you don't want to buy, if you want to just get an idea how to start a business, you can call us. Okay, don't worry, don't bother, just call us. Greetings from Aruna Textile Hub. Thanks guys.